Kokila Ben, Dhirubhai Ambani Reliance Foundation School at Reliance Greens Township, Jamnagar, Gujarat. I am very much interested in solving different Rubik's Cube, puzzles and yoga. I have set a world record by performing 3 activities simultaneously, that is solving 2x2, 3x3 cube and primates puzzle by standing in one-legged yoga position while recalling 23 inventors of inventions in 1 minute 40 seconds and 7 milliseconds. My parents supported me for this activity. Thanks to International Book of Records for recognizing my achievement.
Aeroplane.
Wright Brothers.
Adding machine.
Blaise Pascal.
Hot air balloon.
Joseph and Jacques Monod.
Diesel engine.
Rod Diesel.
Computer.
Charles Babbage.
Bicycle.
Tim Macmillan.
Radio.
G. Marconi.
The Celsius scale.
A. Celsius.
Barometer.
E. Tortoise.
Bicycle tire.
J. Dunlop.
Jet engine.
Sir Frank Whittle.
Fountain pen.
Mary Warman.
Machine gun.
Richard Gatlin.
Gramophone.
Thomas Edison.
Matches.
J. Lindstrom.
Kinetoscope.
Thomas Edison.
Clock.
C. Isaac.
Dynamite.
Alfred Nobel.
Dynamo.
Michael Faraday.
Electric iron.
Henry Curie.
Evolution theory.
Charles Darwin.
Electromagnet.
W. Sturgeon.
Electric lamp.
Thomas Edison.
I'm Simple Quatra. I'm Mrs. India 2014. By profession, I'm architect and interior designer. I'm keen in swimming, dancing. School authorities used to tell me like your skirt should be this much long, and I never used to like it, and I always used to fold it this much. Very simple, introvert and less confident girl suddenly turned into a very confident tomboyish girl. This prestigious sash which I'm wearing today and the crown which I'm wearing today is the second one. I was always keen to help people in whatever way I could. I'm very thankful to International Book of Records for acknowledging my efforts, my hard work, my achievements, and bestowing me with this great award of Apt Women Award. And it's a very good platform for all the women who want to show to the world what they are. Be the trailblazers, frame your own rules, keep inspiring and empowering women.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.